Hello lovely people and welcome back to Marius Makes. In this video I will be showing you how I make one of my favorite coconut treats. Chocolate dipped homemade Raffaello. To a large mixing bowl, add 250 grams of milk powder, 100 grams of desiccated coconut, 120 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon or more of vanilla bean paste. You can also use vanilla extract, and 250 grams of unsalted butter. With clean hands, knead the ingredients until they come together. It might look a little dry at the beginning, but keep on kneading, it will come together nicely. You will know when it's ready when the mixture becomes soft and sticky. Now it's time to shape the treats. Take a teaspoon or thereabout of the coconut mixture and squeeze it into a bowl. Add a blanched and roasted almond into the middle of it. Give the treat an almond shape and place it on a tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat until you finish all the mixture. If you wish, you can make the treats smaller and roll them in desiccated coconut. They will resemble the beloved Italian treat Raffaello. When all the sweet treats are shaped, refrigerate them for 1 hour. Meanwhile, melt over a pot of simmering water or in a microwave 360 grams of white chocolate and 50 grams of dark chocolate. Take the coconut treats out of the fridge and, one by one, dip them in the white chocolate first. Shake off the excess and add a squiggle of dark chocolate on top. Place them back on the parchment paper and repeat until all the treats are covered in chocolate. Refrigerate for at least 20 minutes to allow the chocolate to set. Because I didn't temper the chocolate, these treats will be kept in the fridge and enjoyed cold. You can keep them refrigerated for up to 1 or 2 weeks and enjoy them any time of day. And there you have it, chocolate dipped homemade Raffaello. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking!